last time we played, she actually beat me, and I came tonight to win. And I was just more focused and a little more consistent, which gave me the edge. Obviously, the match was pretty close, and yeah, that's how I came up with the win.
Now you're in the King Alarm series now because you have a little more time to be. Will we see you consistently be playing this tournament?
Yes, definitely. I'll just look out for it anytime Sangi reaches out to me.